Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing excavation of this is a house. We're doing excavation. You see, we're doing excavation. You see, let me show you. All of this I did it today. You see, we are going this way. I want to show you what brought me here. I know you are wondering why the excavator is here and the backhoe is here. I want to show you something. This is all of the work of the backhoe. This is New Holland E215B. Why I am here is because of this bucket. See this bucket? You see this bucket? They are broken. Already broken. You see? This part, all of this part. You see? This. See? Here. 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 See? That's why I'm here. But the bucket of this one is coming. The new one. That's all I have today. Because I've been quiet for so long. Today I did this. See this? But the backhoe is quite okay because it started there. You know, there? This way, this way, this way, until now we are here. And we want to finish up to that point. You see that point? This way and this way. We finish the work. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Share. I want to give you a room tour of the backhoe. Yes. I don't know if I can. It's okay. This bucket is okay. This one is okay. I want to give you a tour. A backhoe tour. Backhoe tour. Steering, lights, water. When you press here is water for the wipers to clear this windscreen. And the other one is forward, reverse, depending on the gear that you engage here, depending where the machine is. This is the brake. They are double brakes. So, brakes. And if you want to use one, you can remove this one like this, and you work with one. You see, work with one. But if you want to combine all of them, you join it like that, and you press now. This is the fuel. If you want to accelerate, yeah. This is the lock. This one is to release this arm. That's how you release. But because here we have a problem here of this cable, now we use our hand to unlock. These are stands. You some stands. When you want to push them, you push like this. It goes down or up. Hand brake, the controller of the forward bucket. This one. The fuel, if you want to work with this machine in high speed, we use this to accelerate this one. Use this to accelerate this one. You see, this is to lock, so that you can be able to slide this arm from this position, this one you are seeing here, to the other one, or here, depending on where you want to put the machine, the arm. This is the gear lever to control this one. You see, this one, and this is the wind. The what do you call this? I don't know, but I've shown you. And this is the, if you want to stretch the arm, the loader, you stretch your arm that way. You stretch. Can I show you a little bit? Can show you. If you want to stretch, you press it like this, and the arm goes. You see? If you want to bring back, you press here, and the arm comes back here. That way. Then you put the arm slowly down like that, and you switch the machine off. This is the temperature. This is the hydraulic temperature. The engine's temperature, the hydraulic temperature. Speed gauge. And this one. This is hours. If you want to see the hours, you see it here. That way. This is the battery, how your battery works. If your battery is high, you see here. If it's low, it comes up to here. If it's high means it's good, in a good condition. This is the fuel. See the fuel? This is the fuel. And this is the stretcher to stretch to if you want to remove the stands that makes the backhoe to be comfortable when you are working. This one, if you press like this, it's to remove. If you do like this, you see the machine is moving. That's okay, I think, for today, and I'm happy you have seen everything. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, my people, subscribe, and you hit the thumbs up. So thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my subscribe to my channel. The people from India, thank you. I've seen you watch my videos a lot. People from Turkey, thank you. You watch my video a lot, and thank you. But make sure you subscribe. There's no need of seeing my videos and then you don't subscribe. Subscribe. I think you have seen everything here. You have seen the machine, you have seen everything. You are excavating this house and I'll keep showing you more videos so that you can be able to see what is happening here. Thank you, and let me end the video here.